As market leader, 5paisa has always cared for customers first. This time, we have come up with a brand new ticker feature all for you. Let's see how to use this feature through few easy steps. The ticker feature will help you pin scripts for a quick glance. First thing to do is swipe down to explore all the scripts pinned to your ticker. Then tap on charts icon to hide or show the mini charts. Click on edit button to customize the ticker as per your preferences. All the scripts vibrate to show that you are in edit mode. Click on remove icon to remove the scripts. Click on plus icon to search or index or stock. Click on plus icon in search results to add that script. You can add maximum 6 scripts to ticker. Then you can tap the rearrange icon on the left to change to rearrange view. Select and drag the scripts to change the sequence. The first two will appear on ticker outside by default. At last, click Save button to save the changes. Log in the app to try it now.